We're following breaking news out of Southern California right now. It all centers on parents being notified if their children change their gender identification or pronouns at school. Thanks so much for joining us. I'm Melanie Wingo in for Lisa Gonzalez. Now, that judge has ruled that a Chino school district cannot enforce their policy, that policy requiring schools to tell parents about gender or pronoun changes. This originally started when California Attorney General Rob Bonta had sued Chino Valley Unified over its newly adopted parental notification policy. Bonta says the district's policy violates students' civil rights. He tweeted, quote, "While the fight is far from over, this is a crucial step toward ensuring the well-being and safety of transgender and gender non-conforming students." Bonta said his office will continue to challenge the policy in court. The next court hearing on the issue was scheduled for October 13th. And this decision comes as the Rockland Unified School Board is set to vote on a very similar policy tonight. It would require campus employees to notify parents if their child wants to identify as transgender, non-conforming, or use a different name or pronoun. Now, parents would have to be notified if their child requests to be identified as a gender other than their biological sex or gender, use a name that differs from their legal name, use pronouns that don't align with their biological sex or gender, or want to use certain restrooms or changing facilities, or have access to sex-segregated school programs or activities. And this would also change a student's right to privacy. It says, a student's transgender or gender nonconforming status is the student's private information, just with the exception of parental notification. That school board meeting is set to get underway tonight at 6:30. And Rockland Unified School District is not the only district in our area considering this type of policy. According to the Buckeye Union School District's website, tonight it will discuss the same parental notification policy that Chino Unified School District adopted. According to the agenda, the item was requested by Todd White, the chairman for the El Dorado County Republican Party. Meanwhile, the Assembly is meeting right now to declare the nation's first Transgender History Month. This is a live look over the Capitol right now. Assembly leaders there say every August will now be known in the state as Transgender History Month. They say the month would educate and raise awareness about the contributions of the transgender community in the state and in the country.